Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move Google Drive files to another account. So this will be really simple and straightforward process. The first thing we need to do is just open up an internet browser, and in the address bar we are going to type in takeout.google.com and hit enter. Now just make sure you are signed in to the Google account that contains all of your files and folders, and then once you are signed in, scroll down to the bottom here, click on the deselect all button and then scroll down again until you see drive in this list, which is here. So make sure this option is turned on and enabled, and what we are essentially going to do is download all of this information that's in our drive. So once you have this selected, scroll down all the way to the bottom of this page, click on next step where it says transfer to. We are going to select send download link via email. For the frequency, make sure this is set to export once. File type you want to set to zip, and for the file size I like to set mine at the largest number possible, and then we can go and press create export. Now what this is going to do is download all of your files and folders on your Google Drive account, and it's basically going to download all of this into one single zip file. So you can see here that sometime it can take a long time depending on how much data you have. It can even take several hours or days if you have a lot of information to download. So once this is finished, all you simply do is go over to Google and sign into your Gmail account, and once the transfer is completed, you will get an email that will look something like this, and go and download all of these files and folders and just click on download your files, and that's going to automatically start downloading to your computer. So you can see we have this zip file over here, and once this is finishing downloading, you will just need to head over to the downloads folder on your computer. From the downloads folder, go and locate the zip file and just right click on it and click on extract all and click on extract, and then just give that a couple of seconds while it extracts all of these files to your computer. So now if I double click on this takeout on this folder, then double click on drive, we are now going to be able to see all of the files and folders that we are originally on our Google Drive. So go and send these files to new Google Drive account. All you need to do is open up an internet browser and sign into your new Google account. Click on the square icon in the top navigation and click on drive. Select new in the top left hand side, select folder, upload, then just go and navigate over to the folder that we just exported. So it's this one here. Double click on it, double click on this folder, and then just simply select the folder and upload it, and it's going to upload all of the content of this folder to this your new Google Drive. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to move Google Drive file. That's how to move Google Drive file to another account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.